In this tutorial I will show you how to create such creative poster designs in Adobe Photoshop. By the way, these poster designs can be used in t-shirt prints as well. To create such t-shirt mockups I had already uploaded tutorial. Check the link in description. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. From fill or adjustments select solid color. Select black color for background. Then from view select guides, then new guide layout. Copy these overall settings. Then select type tool. Left click to insert text. Then from properties copy font style. Copy these text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Type SNIPE text here. Place it accordingly on top. Then hold Alt key, left click on text and drag it down to make a copy. Double click on text layer to enable layer style. From layer style enable stroke. Copy these settings. Keep stroke color to white. Then from blending options keep opacity to around 25%. And fill opacity to 0. Make one more copy of text and place it below. Hold Shift key and select all text layers and group them. Name it as SNIPE text. Then from File place Sculpture image. To download image link is provided in description, check it out. Hold Alt key to resize the image and place it accordingly. Then select Rectangle tool. Left click to insert its width and height. Then from properties keep fill to none. And stroke to blue color. Keep stroke size to 4 pixels. Again left click to insert one more rectangle. Width will remain same, change height to 130 pixels. From properties keep fill to blue color. And stroke to none. Place the shape accordingly as shown. Select both rectangle layers using Shift key, right click and convert to Smart Object. Place this layer below statue layer. Then place the shape accordingly as shown. Select Type tool. Left click to insert. From properties copy font style. Copy these text settings as well. Type advisory text here. Place the text inside the shape as shown. Hold Alt key, left click and drag to make a copy of text. Then from properties change font style. Change these text settings as shown. Type parental text here. Make a copy of text. From properties font style will remain same. Change text settings as shown. Type explicit content text here. Place the text inside the shape as shown. Double-click on parental text and from Properties change its color to blue. Similarly, change explicit content text color. Select advisory text and change its color to black. Then from Layer panel select all text and rectangle layer using Shift key and group them. Name the group as Advisory. Then select Type tool. Left click and drag to make selection. From Properties copy font style. Copy these text settings as well. Paste the text here. Place it accordingly. Then from File place barcode image. Place it accordingly as shown. Select Type tool. Left click to insert text. From Properties copy font style. Copy these text settings as well. Paste the text here. Place it accordingly. Then select Ellipse tool. Left click and drag to make ellipse. From Layer panel place this ellipse layer to top. From Properties keep Fill to none. And Stroke to white color. Keep stroke size to 8 pixels. Resize the shape and place it accordingly as shown. Add layer mask to ellipse layer. Hold Alt key and left click on statue layer to make selection. Then select ellipse layer mask. Select brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black. Set the brush size and brush on unwanted ellipse stroke which needs to be on back of the statue wings. Press Ctrl+D to deselect statue selection. Then from File place Shape 1 image. Right-click on Shape 1 layer and rasterize layer. Select Lasso tool. Make selection of single shape. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of selection. Similarly follow the same process to remaining shapes. Make sure to always select image layer while making a copy. Delete Shape 1 layer. Place the shapes accordingly as shown. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy. Hold Alt key left click on layer 3 to make selection. From fill or adjustments select solid color. Copy this hex code. Delete layer 3. Select solid fill layer and press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Place it accordingly as shown. Select all shape layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Shapes. Make sure to select top layer and press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. Lastly, from View select Guides, then Clear Guides. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to canvas. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.